All right, going live again. We got a very, very exciting shipment in, so I thought, why not do a little unboxing? I haven't done one of those. Or if I have, it's been a really long time. So I guess you could pan to the first thing in front of me, because I had to unbox all of these. If you come to our retreat in October, you may recognize some of this fabric. This is Susan Claire-Mayfield's newest line, Frog Pond Jelly. So I just got 4 boxes in, full of fabric, as well as some quilt samples. So if you were lucky enough to be at the retreat, then you got to see these quilts get put together and finished and bound and all of that good stuff. And we have some patterns, so I'm gonna kind of walk you through and we'll open the boxes together. So let's start with patterns and quilts. So these will get hung up in the store, so that if you come visit and say hi.
I'll hold it up so I can see it.
Donkey and Puff, 30 by 38. Confident beginner, raw edge, applique, okay? And this is the best part about it.
We have the real samples here.
A real sample.
It's so beautiful.
Okay, so that one.
Yep.
Oh. Then let's go. This one's been in the store for more than like a week or so. Jolly Frogs again, another raw edge applique, confident beginner. The piecing itself is pretty simple, but you got a little fun applique for all the frog lovers. This is just the cutest thing ever.
Do you want to talk about what we learned from Susan Claire and how she does?
I have this applique quilt, and I'll show you some other things and some other ones. She does it really kind of unique. So her applique goes on after she's quilted it. So it is sandwiched and quilted, so you could free motion, then you could run an edge to edge and have the whole thing quilted. And then if you flip back the corner, you can actually see that it's stitched all the way through. So she did the applique after the fact. So this one was more free motion quilted, but if you did an edge to edge quilt, which I think the donkey is an edge to edge.
No, this one is
a little more free motion-y.
It is free motion-y.
But, so you could sandwich and quilt it, and then do your applique afterwards.
Which I think is really cool.
So then you don't have to worry about like, oh, I gotta go perfectly around it. You can just put it on after. So, really cool way that she does this. So there's your Jolly Frogs. Now I gotta make sure I grab the right one. Okay, so this is 22 plus. Guess what it takes?
22 fat quarters?
22 fat quarters.
Awesome.
And
so you can grab, these have 22 fat quarters exactly in them.
Her patterns call for a fat quarter bundle, thus all of the fat quarter bundles and plenty of fabric to cut more. So let's find 22 plus. I love a fat quarter friendly pattern because we carry so many fat quarters. They're so much fun.
Let's see if I can help you.
Grab a corner, okay? Oh my gosh, gorgeous! It's so bright. It's summery. It's like, oh. So 22 fat quarters and a little border fabric.
And so you want to talk a little bit about her fabric, what we learned?
And now you're really testing me.
So it's all based off of frog ponds.
Frog pond jelly. It's apparently a...
So Jello.
Jello, not a thing here. It's kind of like a dirt cup. I feel like it would be the
equivalent of a dirt cup made with Jello.
With Jello. So they do a frog pond Jello, and that's usually like a birthday celebration or some type of celebration.
Or at least that was her tradition in her family.
Yeah, so she was like, well, I got to. And so, ta-da. And you'd put like things in it. Like you had
little
like,
frogs like
and gummy worms. Like just like you would a dirt cake where you put like gummy worms and, or like the, people will do this.
Candy coins.
Or like people will do the little shark gummies and make like fishbowl, Jello, similar concept.
And that's where this name came from And you're going to see all through the fabric there's cute little frogs and there's little frogs here.
Fishies, there's not tadpoles. What are those things called? Lily pads.
Lily pads. There you go.
I don't know about amphibians. All right, batik squares. Again, fat quarter friendly. Pretty. 22 fat quarters and some coordinating fabric. pull this one out. I love these colors.
They're so bright and cheerful.
So bright, vibrant, so summery. It's like delicious summer.
It's coming. Today's a day that makes me think of summer.
But again, perfect for those quarter bundles, and you're like, oh, I love this fabric. So you can still highlight fabric, and then you can go scrappy through everything else. Really fun. So, all right. So now these, let's go with the row your quilt. Let's take the concept of a block of the month and turn it into a row
of the month.
Yep.
So if you're interested in joining us for a row of the month, let us know, because I think we may do this as a virtual sew along.
Yep.
As a row of the month. So again, you'll get to practice your applique skills as well.
Absolutely. If you've never done raw edge applique, this is a great place to start, because they're pretty simple shapes and it's pretty forgiving, which is always really nice. So I have that quilt. Okay.
This is so beautiful. Here, I'll try to help you. Sorry. So look at this. So the bottom row is fish and jellyfish and starfish.
And if you remember, we did have her Welcome to My World quilt in the store as well. And again, that was all a raw edge applique quilt. And she does such fun stuff. And
look at all the little people. Oh, he's flying a kite, and the kite's all the way up there with the row of trees.
Which you could add, so like, oh, maybe my dog doesn't look like this.
You could personalize.
You could totally personalize it.
And look at all the fun trees.
Got little birds with hats on. I mean, it's just such a fun
This
quilt.
would be so fun. We bought plenty of this background.
Yeah, so if you like this stripy background, we have lots of that to go around. All right, and then the last quilt we have, and pattern that we got. Meadowland. So if you were at the retreat, you did see her put this together, which is really cool. Again, it's kind of like a quilt
tiles. Yeah, quilt as you go with tiles.
Method to put it all together. Again, raw edge applique. Absolutely stunning. Even better in person.
I'm trying to grab it. Sorry. Whew.
I mean,
so you'll see she made this whole block, and then she had this block, and then this block, and then these she put together so you can see on the back how they're joined, and then the backing is on there and it's sewn down. And again, it's quilted after she put it together.
To put something this size underneath your machine is different than trying to applique this size something on your machine. So you could do this large scale applique without having to worry like, oh, I don't have a big table, I can't make it fit, and you don't have to fight with so much underneath the machine. But you just want to pan it. It's absolutely stunning.
Look at all the little details: the butterfly, the flowers, the bee.
A little free motion foot and
just the flowers. Look at the birds.
doodle it through.
They're so fun. So this is called Meadowland. Land, I think.
Yes, Meadowland. Stunning.
Again, same background stripe, which is why we bought a lot of this stripe. Okay. So these are the quilts. These will all be hanging in the store for a little while. So make sure you come check them out. I can't remember. I don't know when I need to return them, but we'll keep them for a little while. At some point, we'll have to send them back to Hoffman. But we're very thankful that we get to borrow so many of Susan Claire's quilts. They're gorgeous. So a little inspiration for you.
If you're like, oh, I love the collection, I don't know what to do with. Grab a fat quarter bundle and then
pick a pattern. There's so many. So, ready to see some fabric from this collection?
Open the boxes. I did pre-open all the boxes just so I could not have to do that quite on camera.
All right.
Let's pull some that are not quite duplicate. Again, so these will get all on the website as soon as I sit here for 20 minutes and put them all in. The fat quarter bundles are under the coming soon category. So if you know you definitely want a fat quarter bundle, you can go ahead and order that now. And you will get first dibs of that because...
So this is the background stripe.
That is the background that she uses in a lot of those quilts. So if you really liked that background stripe. And it's not a perfectly straight stripe, which is nice. So it's pretty forgiving.
Some dandelions, I'd call these.
Yeah, I guess they're dandelions. There's probably some other like actual name. But we don't know.
Here's one of the other stripes. Again, you're going to see this in her sample quilts.
Alright, ooh, now onto some bright colors. A little lime green. Again, same stripe, nice bright lime green. I really like that. Makes me want like a margarita or...
Here's the orange, and you'll see little dragonflies in this print.
There's some more of those. We're going to call them...
We're calling them dandelions. Is that what they are?
I don't know. What is this?
Somebody help me out if you know what they are. That's what I think they're.
Dandelions.
I was right. We were right. Nasturtium, this one says, is the color.
There's a yellow. That's fun.
Look at that. So it's a light yellow with a little darker yellow on that.
There you go.
Here's your lily pads.
Some lily pads. And again, because these are Hoffman, you can pull some 1895s to blend with this beautifully. So like this is Coral Gable is the Hoffman background color. So you can go and say, ooh, I want some blenders to go with this. It is so
Look
easy.
at this fun lime green. This is a gecko color. It's beautiful.
Fishies, if you need some fish. Another awesome stripe. You can make like a whole stripey quilt.
Love this.
Love that. I love a multicolor.
Oh,
That's nice.
here's some more leaves. Maybe they're leaves of a flower.
I think they're lily pads.
You think they're lily? All right. Yeah, I think they're lily pads, but.
Love this.
And that, oh,
Here's
so
your
pretty.
frogs. Here's your real frogs. Here is your frogs and lily pads.
Look at these. These are so pretty.
What are you gonna do with this?
We're on live, Pamela. Look at that.
yeah.
These are all Susan Claire's latest collection.
Wow.
And we just showed all of these quilts and the
fun.
patterns.
We were just talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger's donkey.
Yeah, isn't this fun? Look at
I
this.
love this stripe.
There's so many stripes that every
Wow.
Here's another blue with a
Fish.
with
I
a
really like
fish.
the fish.
You could just put that on make it for one of Carrie's quilts.
I could.
Art quilt? That's
An art quilt. Here, look at this.
Oh, is this the same? Again,
we got another one.
Lots of bolts. Yellow. Sophie might need to see the yellow.
Sophie, who works here, if you've met her, loves the yellow.
She,
Is a big fan of yellow. Look at the yellow stripes.
I like these guys. These are like goldfish.
I like the goldfish snack that you eat,
Snack
crackers.
that smiles back.
The snack that smiles back. My piles are getting kind of high. I'm going to stack some over. Look at that color.
Did I give you this already? Yes. I know. I was like, hopefully I can fit this all.
Oh, some more.
I think I only have one box left. And this one only had a few because this is my box with them. I love this like sapphire, really dark blue. And then here's more dragonflies. Almost like
Dragonflies. Yeah, like dragonflies in a gray, blue gray.
And then here's your lily pads and frogs.
Look at that. I love it.
love
The
them.
teal, the blue, the purple,
And then there's your dandelions.
and that same color.
I think that's everything.
Oh my gosh. So we do have more, but like we said, we ordered
A few
extra.
A few extra bolts of the stripes if you want it for binding, sashing. The stripes are really fun. And then of course I have fat quarter bundles available. Again, most of these patterns, you just need a fat quarter bundle and some coordinating fabric, whether that's a background, a border, or some sashing. Woo!
All right.
This is what I'm going to do the rest of the afternoon, is put all of this fabric in, and it'll go onto the website so you can start to order. Did you see the yellow?
And it's called Frog Pond Jelly.
Jelly, look at the yellow.
There's
the
lots of yellows.
So, lots of fun here. Everybody's meeting winning all afternoon. We'll talk to you soon. I will throw a link in the comments when it is live.